Alright guys, since I got a new grinder, I'm going to see if I can make a new married pair real quick. Using just that, I've taped the ends to keep them together. I've only stenciled the one piece, and I want to do the both at the same time so I get the first knuckle correct, or get them to be matching. So I'm going to kick this off here. I've got my bowl on this side, new grinder on this side, and we're going to see if I can get this angle correct. This thing's super quiet, so hopefully we can do this. Man, my eyes are terrible. Alright. They're getting a little open there. Alright. So that's that for that. So then I'm going to take these apart now that I've got that done. I'm going to pull this one out, leave this one in. I'm going to do just this one now. Okay, so we'll get that done there. Whoops. Looking pretty good so far. How we're doing? We're getting there. Do a little fine tuning over here. There. Well, I'll try to keep it over here real quick here. Alright, how's that looking? Looking pretty good? Everybody liking that so far? So that'll be the triple. I think that looks pretty good. Pretty even. Oops, sorry. There we go. I'll just take a file that a little bit down right there in the front, and then clean that up, in and out, and then taper that. Then I'll be able to fold them, pair them, I'll just finish this here. So let's take a look at the necks here. Need to come down a bit on this other one, so I'll keep going here. I like to get them about the same. I like to make the single a little stronger so it can do a lot more rocking and lifting with it. Just for usability. I don't care if they don't have to look perfect, as long as they work. It's most important. So, let's see here. It's a lot easier when the camera's not right in my lap, but we're doing alright. A little shallow there, but I can do that. That's alright. Yeah. All right. See, now they're about the same there for the necks. So they're gonna look the same and be the same and act the same. So that's pretty much it. And then I'll take them off and I'll take them over, and from here I'll file all the edges down on both sides and clean up the insides and sand them down and put a mirror finish on them, and I will wrap them in tape and put straws over them, and I will twist them together on top of each other so that they become a married pair. And when they are done, they will look something like this right here. When they're all done, bear with me one more second here. So when they're done, they'll look something like this. Wrong one. Hold on. They'll look like similar to this, but this one's more of a kind of a worm rounded one. I'm gonna make that one more of a peaked, but they'll look like this. They'll be a married pair that sit on top of each other. Oh, come on, focus. Like that. Oh, focus. There you go. So they line up first and last, and they're nice and rounded. See, I like to have them all nice and rounded all the way around on the tops and the bottoms, so that there aren't any flaws. This is a pair I use all the time, so it's a little scuffed up, but so it's almost the same. So it'll turn into that when I'm done with it. Essentially, I'll twist them up, and that'll be that. And then I will put them in a home. I will rehome them to a owner who will use them. I also make large ones, real big daddies, real, and then I also do kind of like, this is a kind of a gem in a Bogota style, which is kind of nice for when because you can kind of get a lot of leverage and just pick right down the stack, in and out. I like using this one a lot. It's in my personal kit, so I really enjoy keeping this one around ever since I made it. I was gonna sell it, but then I decided not to, so I suppose I could make more of them. I don't see why not. Anyways, well, I hope you guys liked the video, and like and subscribe, and stay safe, stay legal, and I look forward to hearing from you guys and some feedback. Thanks a bunch.